All right, people, I'm back on the bike. X100v is right here on my chest, and we're gonna look for some roadside beauty as we dodge traffic and try to find something beautiful. And down a couple blocks from my house, riding the bike, and I just found a couple of spots already. So I'm using the color negative 400 recipe on these shots, and I'm really sweating a lot because it's crazy humid out, but these are cool. Mostly what I'm doing with the X100v is I've got it in my special magic mode, which just means I've got my aperture set to f2 and everything else set on automatic. On a day like today, it's getting really bright. It doesn't, if you put it on f2 and you get close, even if the camera gets a higher ISO or whatever, it gets grainy, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna be some really amazing photos. So I got this little nursery truck, and now we're gonna keep going down the road. All right, I found something really cool. Forgot it was here. It's pretty awesome. And we're gonna use the X100 to get really close using magic mode, F2, to do some cool blurry shots, background blur, and then get some details. Cows are pretty awesome. Love those guys. I'm about to fall off my bike. Probably around 6-7 years ago, I was in the worst condition of my life. 265 pounds plus, most likely, feeling like garbage. My knees were shot, back was always out, and worse than anything, is that I was in deep and dark depression. It's that kind of depression that I just felt like I wanted to go into a hole and just stay there for a long time. Photography, my family, bike riding, those are the three things that really kind of helped to get me out of it. And here in 2022, I know it's been a tough time for a lot of people, but man, I'm feeling really fortunate. I'm feeling unbelievable. Mile 22, back in town now, and gonna look at the North Omaha part of things, get a couple shots, and then I think I'll be done. Great ride today, people.